G'day guys, and greetings from the beautiful Coffin Bay there in the background here on the Eyre Peninsula in South Australia. This is where we're spending our Christmas. I just wanted to say that we won't have an episode out this week. Well, this is our episode, I guess. Now in YouTube land, we're about 5 or 6 months behind where we are currently today. And didn't really think that anyone would be watching over Christmas anyway. But I did want to say that we are feeling jolly, I guess. We want to give something away at Christmas time and bring a bit of that Christmas cheer. I'm starting to look a bit like Santa with that grey beard there, and I've certainly put on a few pounds on the last year when we've been on the road. We've got a couple of items from Navigator and we're going to give one of them away today. You can pick which one it is. So we've got this here, the spare wheel cover buddy. Something like that anyway. This is not a sponsored post, by the way, so I don't have to get the names absolutely correct. This is out of our own pocket for our own little Christmas cheer from us to you. You can choose this here, which sits over your spare wheel. You can open them up, you can chuck all your rubbish in there, you can chuck gear in there, you can chuck cans, bottles, whatever you want in there, it can go in there. Or we've got the kitchen awning buddy. Now this hangs from your canopy, hangs from your awning, it hangs from wherever you want it to hang. Chuck your spices, your utensils in there, your paper towel in there, whatever you want, but it just folds up nicely, packs away. Now the winner can choose one or the other of them, and then we'll give away the other one in a couple of weeks' time on our channel as well. To be in it to win it, all you have to do, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ash Shoes Photos, and leave a comment on this video. It can be about anything. It can be about what you like about the channel, what you don't like, what you want to see more of, what we can improve on. It can be about my beard and how much I'm looking like Santa, or how lucky Trina is to find a good looking dude like me. Whatever you want, comment, subscribe, comment. That's all you have to do. I'll announce the winner in the comments section in a week's time, and then we'll have the other one going in a couple of weeks' time as well for another lucky winner. Good luck, guys. And the second announcement for today, if you do follow our socials on Ash Shoes Photos or Ash Shoes Weddings on Instagram, you would have seen during the week, or you might have seen during the week, that we announced that we're moving to Queensland in 2024. We're sick of that cold Victorian weather, and we want to continue chasing the sun like we have on this trip all year. We'll talk more about the reasons why I've done that when we actually catch back up to the Eyre Peninsula, because we've gone into a bit more depth around the reasons and what we've loved about this year that's kind of led to that decision to move there. But for now, I want to announce that my weddings in 2024 in Queensland are half price. Any 2024 booking is half price, basically from Yeppoon all the way down to the Queensland border. And even northern New South Wales, I'll extend that offer into as well. I've already booked about 10 weddings in the last week from that offer alone. So jump in quick. If you are getting married or you do know someone that's getting married, just handball this info across to them. Or even if you want to get married and you haven't found that lucky person yet, book me in and then spend that time trying to find that person before the date arrives. Anyway, head to my website, www.ashshoesphotos.com for more information on that, or to get in contact with me, or jump on my socials and slide into my DMs for a little bit more info as well. That's about all I've got to say. There's a giveaway, comment and subscribe and comment. And there's a 2024 half price Queensland weddings. Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays, as the Americans would say. Stay safe and party hard. Cheers.